Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto Thinkphone device, and I can show you top 3 best free themes for this device. And the third place in our top is Niagara Launcher. So just open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Click Install and wait a while. Click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Here choose your favorite apps and click OK. So great, as you can see, here we have really simple interface. Here we have our favorite applications, here you can set up your widgets, and here you have your main menu with alphabetical line. So if you want to find any application you need, just tap your finger on alphabetical line and drag it to desired later. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just drag it to P button and find Play Store here. That's it. And the second place is Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher. So find it and install. Click Open. Get started by using the app. Allow, continue. You can connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, and if you will do it, you will be able to create a pair with your smartphone and your Microsoft Windows device. You will be able to get your messages and notifications and calls on your Windows device. So click login. You need to log in. I will skip it now. Here you can choose your favorite applications, and great. Here we have the most customizable launcher ever. You can customize everything here. For example, you can customize your favorite apps panel. Here you have 3 lines, two lines with favorite applications, but you can extend it to 3 or 4 lines. Here you have main menu, of course you can customize it too. You have alphabetical line here and normal menu. You can set this in the other method to scroll. Here we have search. Here we have hide feature. We can hide applications in this main menu. We can set password for application using just launcher, and of course we can set up gestures here. It's because this launcher is really good. So just open gestures, and here you can set up opening any application using, for example, swiping up by 2 fingers. For example, I want to open, for example, I don't know, Play Store using 2 fingers up just. So as you can see, it's too easy to do. It works really stable. Okay, that's it. And on the first place in my top is Launcher. So just find it, Launcher 2, click open, allow, and great. So here we have simple Android launcher. So this launcher is normal Android, so we can set this launcher as default. I want to use it as default because I think that this is the best launcher for this device. So to make it default launcher, open settings, open apps, find here default apps, choose here home app, and choose launcher. Great. Click create, go with. Great. Of course, you can set up everything here. You can make it bigger, for example. Okay, And why I really love this launcher? Because it's simple, and this launcher, every icon packs, you can install any icon pack to this launcher. For example, just find icon pack, and I want to find my favorite icon pack. My favorite icon pack is viral. Where is viral icon pack? Oh, I can find it. Oh, okay, it's here. So find viral icon pack, for example, or you can find, for example, icons or meme icon pack or any paid icon pack. So I want to use viral icon pack because this launcher has 6,000 of icons. So click apply to home, and as you can see here we have really beautiful icon pack for any application, and even Motorola icons Motorola icons fits to this icon pack style. As you can see, it looks really great. So you can use normal Android launcher, normal Android style with beautiful icons. So, and of course this launcher is light, and of course you can set up this launcher too. For example, open home settings, you can set up drawer, you can set up glance, you can set up, wait for it, you can set up a theme, you can set up accent colors, you can change icon shape, for example, you can change fonts, and you can use gestures too. For example, you can swipe down. Okay, you can. Of course, you can't set up these gestures like in Microsoft Launcher, but you can set up gestures here too. You can change search. You can maybe not everything, but here we have good choice of settings. And that's it. I think this is the best launcher for your device, and if you think that the best launcher is the other launcher, so just write in comments which launcher do you like. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.